Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to play YouTube videos in background on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you are iPhone user, so keep watching this video until then. You can see you can play videos in background on iPhone. You can run any other application during this play videos on iPhone screen. You can see appears on screen. So keep watching this video until the end. So how to this setup? So guys, so first of all, find Play Store on your iPhone. Here is now search this application Video Lite. Here you can see now here is I have already downloaded. So just I open. Here is the interface. You can see simply tap on YouTube and you can run other application here and YouTube simply play any video and you can see appears on screen. Now guys, simply tap on the three dot and here is simply tap on advanced setting. You can see now guys, simply start PIP automatically, tap on it. It means picture in picture. Simply turn on from here. Now close this window. Here is now guys, simply tap on it and here is so now in this interface simply scroll here. You can see my YouTube video background playing successfully. You can see appears on screen. You can scroll anywhere on iPhone screen. So guys, you can also turn off iPhone and you can see here is playing background my YouTube video on iPhone. Guys, you can playing YouTube video in iPhone background by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.